Turkish ravioli with cheese and walnuts, Mantı. Put the flour into a mixing bowl. Use your hands to make a well in the centre of the flour, add the egg and a teaspoon of salt. Knead the dough, adding the water in small amounts until the flour begins to stick together. The amount of water you need depends on the quality of flour. On a flat surface, knead thoroughly with your hands until it holds together but isn't too sticky. Split the dough into 2 equal-sized pieces and cover with a damp cloth. Leave to rest for 15 minutes. Put the mincemeat into a mixing bowl with 1 teaspoon of salt and the grated onion. Mix gently, flour the work surface, sprinkle flour over each piece of dough and roll out into a thin layer with a rolling pin. Cut the dough lengthways, then cut into squares of 2 by 3 centimeters. Place an equal amount of mixture into each square. Seal into triangular parcels, bringing the corners of the triangle together in the middle. Gently flatten the top point down to seal. Boil a pan of water, add a teaspoon of salt and cook the ravioli until the dough softens. For the sauce, melt a tablespoon of butter in the pan. Sauté a tablespoon of pepper paste for about 1 minute. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt. Add 240 milliliters of water and sauté over medium heat for 5 minutes. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a separate pan. Drain the cooked ravioli, then sauté in the butter for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Place the ravioli on a serving plate and cover with the sauce. Sprinkle over the grated cheese and chopped walnuts before serving. Bon appétit!